Inferring characteristics of an element. Number 17, identify the following elements and write their condensed electron configuration. Move down over here. D block element. D block, which one are we going to use? It says in period 4. Period 4, we got to look at the lowest energy level orbital, which would be the 4s, obviously. So we're going to be starting there. 10 valence electrons. Valence electrons do not start during the particular block. Let's say the D block in this case. 10 valence electrons start from the highest principal quantum number. Highest principal quantum number would be 4. So in this 4s is where we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You count up every single electrons that built up the base, and the ones we just added, you end up getting 28 electrons. This would be nickel. So nickel, its shorthand configuration for the sake of time here would just be AR, then 4s2, and then 3d8. Do B on your own. I'll give you the answers at the end. Next, let's try to figure out how to identify the group number, period number, and the orbital block. Let's try B. B, as you can see, we need to figure out its period number. Its period number is always going to be the highest principal quantum number. So 6 is the greatest here, greater than 4 and greater than 5, so it's going to be 6. Period is 6. It's that simple. If you want to look at the orbital block, the orbital block is going to be the letter at the very end of the shorthand configuration. This would be D. It's at the very, very end right side. So it's in the D block. The group number is where it gets a little bit tricky. What group is it in? You have to use one of these formulas. Which formula would you use? The formula for the S block, this formula for the P block, or this formula for the D block? You use the formula for the block that it's in. So because it's in a D block, you would be using this formula. NS, N stands for the number of electrons in the S. So S, it's over here, there are 2, so we're putting 2, plus N, this N represents the NS, so number of electrons, same thing. In the S block, it's 2, minus 1, that stays constant, times D, number of electrons in the D. There is 4. So just do 4 times 1 gives you 4, plus 2 gives you 6. The group is going to give you 6. I want you to try A and C on your own. I want you to try these questions on your own as well. Please pause the video, give it a try. The answers will be here. These are the answers.